we're gonna be replacing AC compressor. And boom, voila. Hello everyone, this is Fernando here. We're gonna be replacing a air compressor on a 2019 Dodge Ram 1500. This is the limited edition 5.7. We're gonna be replacing AC compressor. I ordered a new one from O'Reilly's the other day, and they sent me the wrong part. This sensor over here, the harness wouldn't fit, so, and it was made for a 2019. I don't know why, but the original one that came from this truck, which is 2019, the original one model was a 2020. That was weird, but it was the original one. So we're gonna be replacing this one. So the new one, which is the wrong one, I have already installed. Yeah, I decided to make this video because I looked it up. I tried to find videos showing how to replace these things, and I couldn't find any of it. So if you guys stay tuned, follow step by step, you won't miss anything, because I'm gonna be recording step by step. I know this video gonna be a little long, but you know, I hope this can help you guys if you need to replace one of these. Okay, I believe they all the same from 2012 and up. Shouldn't be anything different. It's only 3 bolts that you have to unscrew, plus the 2 hoses that connects to the compressor, which run all the gas or the oil, whatever you want to say, whatever you want to call. So stay tuned, follow me step by step. Like I said, in case you need to do this in the future, I'll be showing you right now how to do it. This is one reason I like to work on Ram trucks, because they have a lot of room for you to work. I'm literally sitting under the truck. I know I have the ramps, but still, you know, this thing has the air ride suspension, so I can lift it to off-road. And see, I got a lot of room here to work. Like I said, I'm sitting, you know, I'm not laying down, I'm just sitting under the truck. And here's the new wrong part. I'm gonna take it apart again, and hopefully I can show you guys what needs to be done here. I'm gonna flip the camera to give you a better view. So there's 2 bolts here. You gotta take these nuts here, one over here and one right there, that connects these lines here. You're gonna have to remove the belt, which is not hard to do it. I'll show you how I do. This is what I was talking about. It doesn't fit here. See, this is too small, and that sensor over there is big, so it won't fit. That's the only thing that didn't work on this part, but I'm glad that didn't fit, because I'm assuming that this was not the right one. This one did fit, but I don't know, I would still need this one to work. So I had it on the truck for about 3 days, because I needed, you know, to drive around town. And now it's time to put a new one. Let's do it. I'm show you. There's 1 bolt here to just connect from the engine. So there's 1 bolt here, 1 here. I gotta loose this thing because it holds the wires. So 1 here, 1 here, and one behind on the back. So we're gonna take these 3 bolts and this thing should come out, and then we're gonna install the new one. So now I'm gonna use a pry bar to go under this belt here and move this thing sideways so I can take off the belt from this. I got my face on the way, but don't pay attention on my face, just look what I'm doing. So I'm gonna find a way here to okay, like this, and then I got the belt. If you're doing this for the first time, make sure you take a picture how the belt works and how it goes in here, because it sometimes, you know, it might come off of the pulleys, and you will not know how to put it back together unless you have a picture. That's what I do sometimes, you know. If I'm not sure what I'm doing, I take pictures before, just in case I need to figure out how I'm gonna put it back. But I got the belt off, so this is free right now, and I'm gonna take off the 3 bolts, and I'll be right back. I was forgetting about this. To take these bolts off, you're gonna need a 13mm ratchet or one of these to get this loose, okay? 13mm. I'm just gonna use one of these because it's faster. But for the one on top here, I don't have room, so I'm gonna have to use something different. Put these somewhere you're not gonna lose it, because you're gonna need them again. They don't send you new ones, so don't lose it. So now I gotta take this one here. I gotta disconnect the harness. Oh, this is hot. I just drove from the store, so it's hot. All right, wire's disconnected. Let me see if I can take this apart without. Yeah, I think I can. Yeah. Much easier and faster. Something that's loose enough for me to do it by hand, but it's not. I might be blocking the camera with my arm. There's enough room for me to work underneath here, but there's not enough room to film, you know. Unless someone is here holding the camera for you. So this took me about an hour to do the first time. Now that I know where I have to go, you know, now that I know what I have to do, it only takes me about 15 minutes to replace this thing. Easy. Good reminder, when you're disconnecting these aluminum hoses over there, let me see, I don't know if you can see, but these things here, when you're disconnecting them, make sure you're wearing glasses, because this is gonna be full and it has pressure on it, and some liquid might spill in your eye, you know, so you be careful. Now I'm not gonna have any problem. I'm not gonna use glasses right now because this was not full, it's empty, so there's no pressure in here, so I'll be okay. As you guys can see, now that's loose. That's the bolt that was holding the hose right back there, and then this one here, it's also loose. It comes off like that, slide it to the side. So now this is loose, so there's only one bolt back there that needs to be loose, and this will come out. I got the nuts off, so there's only one more holding the thing. So this is the bolt that I was talking about that goes back there. As you can see, it already slide down a little bit. I might have to wiggle it a little bit to get it out because there's some wires back here which it's kind of annoying to get it out, but you push that sideways and make room and then it slides right out. I still got about an inch to free this whole thing. So as you can see here, the same size it's here, it's the room that I need back here to get this thing out. Let's do it. So now, like I said, I gotta play with these wires over here to make room. And my neighbors is going crazy with his bike. This guy has nothing to do, man. Every day is like driving up and down the streets like crazy. For the old one, I had to use a hammer to get this thing off. Wasn't easy, but I believe this one is gonna come off easier than the other one. I don't know what's holding it. It's touching somewhere. Oh, it's touching the back over there. Yeah. Gotta slide it up again and then down. It'll come off. I'll be back. Okay, so now it came off. All I need to do is slide this thing out of the way and boom, voila. And let's put the new one. This is hot. One thing you cannot forget to do it is those O-rings that goes around these pipes. If you do not put them, you're gonna have a leak. So don't forget to put them on. So there's two. Where's the other one? Yeah, one on top here and then this one. And now it's pretty much the same, except that we are installing back. So let's see. This is gonna go like this. Take your time, don't rush so you don't break anything. I know it's a little pain to get this thing here, but take your time, bounce around, you get it. It shouldn't be hard. The only problem is these wires that sits underneath this. They're kind of like makes it harder to go in. So you move them sideways, you work with them, and then you'll find a good spot. It takes a little time. Back. Okay, got it. And then now gotta be careful because there's a sensor right underneath that sits on the frame of the car. You don't want to break it. So again, take your time. If I get this one in, problem is these wires over here, they don't give you enough room. Gotta push them out of the way. Okay, I think I got it now. I think I got room now. Nope. Well, at least I got one side on. Yeah, it's a little pain, but we got it done. All right, guys, we got it. So there's one here, and then the second one is here. The third one is the back. It's already in. All I need to do now is tie them up, plug the wires. First, I gotta connect these lines here. Be careful. So 2 lines connects here. Plug this cable in, and then this one. Then put the belt in. We're good to go. All right, guys, here we have the new one installed. Everything looks good. Everything fits just right where it should be. The connectors fit perfectly. This one, which was the problem, fits perfectly. Everything secured. Looks good. Everything's sealed up. I hope there's no leaks. Everything tight the way it should be. New one, AC compressor installed on a Ram 2019. This is the 5.7 Ram 1500. All right, I hope this helped you guys. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment below. I'll be very happy to help. All right, peace out.